Hi everybody, welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a vampire character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're gonna draw the head of the vampire. So let's do a rounded shape like this. Just like that, a big U shape. Next, we're gonna put two lines in the center above. It almost looks like a smiley face, but this is the start of the hair. So we're gonna come on this side and come over, a rounded, and then another rounded shape right there to close that. Let's copy that same process over here and stop right there. Perfect. This is the head and the hair of our vampire character. Next, let's add some ears. They're kind of pointy. One on each side, and then a line inside the ear. And let's move down to the neck. We're gonna add a collar from his white shirt. Like this. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna draw the body of the vampire. And it's gonna be another rounded shape. It's an oval, like a squash circle like this. And then a little round shape here underneath the collar. Perfect. Let's do a line straight across the oval and then add two legs underneath. We'll add one line, two lines, and then another one right here and right here, and then close them off and add two rounded shapes for his feet. Next, we'll add some lines on the side. This is for his cape that's falling on the back, attached to his shoulders. And now we'll add some arms by adding two lines like this, up, another one up like that. We'll close it off and then add the fingers. Just like that. Okay, over here we're gonna add another arm hanging down. Add some fingers, like that. And then we'll have the cape in the back. A line coming down, another line coming down here, and then a rounded line, straight, straight, and then rounded back here too. Perfect. Just like that. Okay, now that we have the body of our vampire, let's move to the details of the face. Let's give our vampire some big eyes, like this. Fill in the pupils. Some lines underneath the eyes. Some eyebrows. And then a cute little smile. On this one, I'm gonna add a little nose as well, like that. A couple of lines under the smile for teeth. Now let's give our vampire some details. A couple of dots on the side. Some lines, maybe around the body too. And there we have a cute little vampire. Yay! Good job following along with me today. I hope you'll come back soon so we can draw more characters. Bye! If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!